All right, in this assignment, we are just going to do a simple greeting card. If you'd like, you can do a birthday card. You could do Valentine's, get well, whatever you want. But I want you to create a greeting card, and it's pretty easy with Microsoft Publisher. Um, if you'll come down here and look at your most popular here, you'll see greeting cards. Just go ahead and click on that. These are some that are already filled out, but we're going to go down here to the blank sizes, and let's do the 1/2 side fold. If you'll double click that, you'll get this message. Click yes. Okay, so the requirement that I have is that I want a image or photo of some sort. If you want to find some clip art, you can. I want it on the page 1 of the card and on the inside page 2. I want some kind of a image or photo. Okay, I've decided to do Groundhog's Day, so what I'm going to do is go to Google Images, and I'm just going to type in groundhog. And like I said, you don't have to use groundhog. You can do something different. I'm just going to kind of scroll through and find a picture that I like. I think I'll use this one right here. I'm just going to right click, save image as. As always, you need to put it in a folder or somewhere where you can find it. I'm just going to call this Groundhog 1 because I'm going to get a second photo for my inside. You might want a cartoon for one and a photo for the other. That's fine. All right. I think I'll do this one right here. Save image as. We'll just call that Groundhog 2. Okay, so I've got a couple of images to work with. I'm going to go back to Publisher. Make this a little bigger so you can see it. Actually, I need to put a text box in first. I'm going to go ahead and draw a text box up here. And, you know, you have the ability to be creative. You may want to make it a little bit bigger with your text size. If you want to use any of these effects, you can, like engrave or anything like that. You may remember we did some effects with some of the other Microsoft programs we've been working with. You probably want to center it in the middle of your text box. You can kind of play around with this a little bit. You can be as creative as you want. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and insert one of my pictures. Okay, I'm going to put that right there. And if you'll remember, if I can double click on my picture, and I may want to put a border in there. But like I said, be as creative as you'd like with this. All right, now on in here on page number 2, you can put your second picture. And on the inside, we'll draw another text box. And you can put some kind of writing here. You can put something corny like just popping up to wish you a happy Groundhog Day. All right, so on the back, just put a small text box at the bottom, and you can just put, let me make that text a little bigger so you can see it. Okay, so you've got your card. Those are the requirements. Picture on the front. Whatever the card is about, like I said, you don't have to use Groundhog Day. If you want to use Valentine's Day, Happy Birthday, whatever, it's good. Get another image on page 2. Page 3, get some kind of little saying or greeting or whatever. And then on the back, which is going to be 4, I just want you to put that you were the person that created the card. As we always do, go ahead and do a file save as, and please turn it into a save as type PDF. Make sure you save it in a location where you can find it. That's always important because you need to know where it is before you can send it. You can just call it greeting card. Okay. And then you've got your 2 items there. So that's all there is to this assignment. Fairly simple. Just go ahead and put something together. Hopefully something you can have fun doing, and then go ahead and send it. And that'll be it. Okay.